high school memory during a year unlike any other.
It's given us all like something that we can really reflect on as something good that has come out during this isolating time.
Tom Dempsey, WUSA 9.
I was checking out their notes there too. So smart. All right, Tom, thank you. For the first time in 200 years, the pews at Christ Church in Georgetown were empty this Easter Sunday. Like many churches across the country, worshipers attended virtual services from the comfort and safety of their own homes. Now, leading today's service at Christ Church this Resurrection Sunday was Father Timothy Cole. That name might sound familiar. He's DC's first confirmed coronavirus patient. Father Cole had his own resurrection story to tell.
That was a bit like Good Friday being shut down and then that long period of waiting to see if and when I was going to get better. And finally, that wonderful moment when Lorraine picked me up from the hospital. Easter is not just a historical event, it's a pattern that repeats in our lives over and over again.
Yeah, Father Hope giving us all, or Father Cole rather, giving us all a little hope there. He recovered from coronavirus after spending 3 weeks in the hospital. Glad he's okay.
Now, your WUSA 9 weather forecast, sponsored by Cox.
All right, want to get back to our Chester Lampkin with more on this red weather alert, severe weather heading our way. And I know, Chester, a lot of people at home want to know exactly when they can expect the worst of this storm in their area.
We're going to try to break it down hour by hour, Lorenzo, but I want to start off by mentioning it's a good time to have that free WUSA 9 app. If you don't have that app, get some sort of weather app that'll give you alerts in the middle of the night. I'm not as concerned about severe weather tonight as I am during the day on Monday. And also, it's a good idea to pull in that lawn and patio furniture. If you haven't done that, do it now because it may go flying tomorrow. We've got a lot of issues to deal with. Let's show you the radar. No severe weather right now. It's just rain across the area here in Metro DC. On the wide view, you can see that rain. It stretches down to St. Mary's County, north up towards Hagerstown, west to Winchester. And as you can see on the wide view, everybody's getting some light or moderate rain. Again, no severe weather right now, and we won't see any for a few hours here. But later on Monday, starting as soon as 4 or 5 in the morning, you're probably going to see some heftier thunderstorms. There is that risk area for severe weather in Metro DC and all the yellow shaded areas. The orange risk includes our friends down to Fredericksburg, down to Stafford, Culpeper, and Orange. The risk is a little bit higher for you guys. And again, threat for Monday, but there is a secondary isolated tornado and hail threat. And the best time to get those severe thunderstorms, probably going to be around 9 to 10 in the morning until about 2 in the afternoon. And that's for everybody who can watch us here on WUSA 9. Let's go to the Futurecast. It's just rain, but it does get heavier after midnight. And by the time we get to about 4 or 5 in the morning, you can see heavy downpours in D.C., up to Frederick, over to Leesburg, back to Winchester and Front Royal, and over into West Virginia as well. 6, 7 in the morning, a couple of these storms near D.C. could put down some gusty, damaging winds. We'll get a little bit of a break, 7, 8, 9, and then after that, a line of hefty thunderstorms will move into Martinsburg, up towards Hagerstown in western Maryland, and then down into central and northern Virginia as well. Haymarket down to Culpeper. Some of these could produce those isolated tornadoes and damaging hail that I was telling you about, in addition to the wind damage. Here we are, Metro DC at noon, and then at 12:30, again, possibly severe thunderstorms at that time. And then we go to 2 o'clock. You can see the storms are starting to pull away. And by the time we get to 6 in the evening, the hefty, severe thunderstorms are gone. A little closer into the metro, again, heavy rain through 4 or 5 in the morning, and then towards 6, 7, some downpours along with some gusty winds, possibly damaging winds, a little bit of a break, and then getting back into the metro around 10:30, 11 o'clock, right on through midday, some hefty thunderstorms. Some of these could be strong and possibly severe right into the metro here, right in the middle of the day. We're also looking at the storm potential for tornadoes. This is the tornado threat index. We don't show this often, but that area of orange and red, if you get a storm to pop in those areas, 10:30, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, if it pops in that area at noon, that could produce a tornado. The tornado threat starts to die out by 1 o'clock, and by 2, 3 in the afternoon, it's out of the area and moving off to the east. So that is fantastic news. It's a small window for tornadoes, but the threat is there nonetheless. It's more of a heavy rain, wind damage threat for everybody. We're all going to be dealing with that. Also, potentially 1 to 2 inches of rain across the area. Big time rain in the